Python is a versatile language with several built-in data types. You've got integers, floats, strings, booleans, and collections like lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Here are some questions which can prepare while you are studying Python. What are the main data types in Python? Python includes several built-in data types, such as integers, int, floating point numbers, float, strings, str, booleans, bool, and collections like lists, list, tuples, tuple, dictionaries, dict, and sets, set. What is the difference between mutable and immutable types in Python? Mutable types, like lists and dictionaries, can be changed after creation, while immutable types, like strings, integers, and tuples, cannot be modified once created. What is the difference between is and "wahrscheinlich" in Python? Is checks if two variables refer to the same object in memory, while "wahrscheinlich" checks if the values of two objects are equal. How does Python handle variable declarations? Python does not require explicit variable declarations. A variable is created the moment you assign a value to it, and its type is inferred dynamically. What is operator precedence and why is it important? Operator precedence determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. It is important because it can change the result of an expression if not properly understood. What does the modulus operator % do in Python? The modulus operator returns the remainder of a division operation. For example, 5% 2 returns 1. Can you explain the difference between logical operators and or and not in Python? And returns true if both operands are true. Or returns true if at least one operand is true. Not reverses the truth value of its operand. What happens if you add an integer and a string in Python? Python will throw a type error because it does not implicitly convert data types in such operations. What is the difference between a variable and a constant? A variable can have its value changed during program execution, while a constant's value is intended to remain the same. Python does not enforce constants, but uses naming conventions, like all caps, to indicate them. What is the result of dividing two integers with ach versus ach in Python? Performs floating point division and always returns a float. Ach performs floor division and returns the largest integer less than or equal to the result. Understanding these concepts will make you a more effective Python programmer.